To raise awareness of human intervention towards the environment. The environment is important to all of us, so even though I kind of focused on the environment, but my work is based on the environment, like the animals, the plant, like everything, not only on the ocean, but I'm kind of celebrating the beauty of our planet. Okay, I wanted to highlight the effects of climate change, so how water erodes the soil. So I kind of highlighting the effects of the heavy rain in the environment. I've noticed that many people are focusing on the cultural issues and they forgot about the importance of the environment. So it came into my attention that from way back home, I used to sing about the nature. I used to be very close with nature, so with the environment. So I wanted to remind people how important the environment is. I grew up very close with nature in Bergville, KwaZulu-Natal. So, and when I was doing elementary school, we used to sing a song about the nature. The title of the song was Uma ningayinakekeli imvelo nitoza lutho, which simply means if you do not take care of nature, you are nothing. So I wanted to work on that and help people appreciate the environment.